Hello. In this video, we're going to go over rationalizing the numerator. In another video, we've already gone over rationalizing the denominator. There will be times in certain classes that some teachers will just ask you for the directions of rationalizing the numerator. They're just going to ask you. They're going to say, please look at number 5, rationalize the numerator for the following expression. It's going to be the same exact process. The whole thing I'm going to need to take into consideration is I need to create a perfect square on the top. So I'm going to multiply by the conjugate. Multiplying by the conjugate is 5x plus 7, minus 7, sorry. No, 5x plus 7 plus square root of 5x. And then obviously we're going to do that to the top. And what we do to the top, we also have to do to the denominator. Now, when you see the top like this, I'm going to put parentheses around this. What I see is an a minus b times an a plus b. And what happens is a squared minus b squared. So we can ignore the middle term. We created that perfect square. So next, what we can see is that first term, a times a, gets multiplied. We have 5x plus 7. Then we're just going to have the minus, ignore the middle term because we have a perfect square. 5x times 5x, well, square root of 5x times square root of 5x is 5x. Then we're just going to have this all over 7 times square root of 5x plus 7 plus square root of 5x. Next thing you're going to do is we're going to clean up the top as we see 5x plus 7 minus 5x all over 7 square root 5x plus 7 plus square root 5x. We will then cancel out those 5x's, rewrite 7 over 7 square root 5x plus 7 plus square root 5x. And the 7's then cancel, and we have finished the problem. 5x plus 7 plus the square root of 5x. This problem has a rationalized numerator. That is what the question is asking. Now, we are usually given these problems and we're looking at it and it's like, whoa, the denominator is not rationalized. We need to fix that. Well, in this case, the directions state a rational numerator, not denominator. We're going to do the same thing for question 6 over here. Rationalized numerator. I need to multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate is the same exact terms with a sign change in the middle. What I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. I have created that a squared minus b squared, so I just need to multiply and can't forget the middle terms. We're good to go. Put this all over square root x plus 2 plus square root of x. We're going to clean up the numerator, and we see that we have an x plus 2 minus x, right? Let's rewrite it over here to the right. We have an x minus 2, x plus 2 minus x, all over 2 square root x plus 2 plus square root of x in parentheses. Those x's are going to cancel. We're going to rewrite 2 square root of x plus 2 plus square root of x. And now those 2's will also cancel. And we have fully rationalized our numerator and have solved our problem. So not too bad, pretty self-explanatory with the same system we did with rationalizing the denominator. Same thing, just, make sure that our numerator doesn't have any square roots at the end. Again, when we're doing problems that do not specify rationalizing the numerator, do not rationalize them. Again, unless stated. Okay, if anyone has any specific questions they want me to do, please send me an email. Other than that, hope everyone has a great day.